You swallow a handful of vitamins every morning, yet the mid-afternoon energy crash and brain fog still arrive on schedule. Physiological health relies on the nutrients that successfully cross into the bloodstream, rather than the raw volume of supplements consumed. High dosage numbers on a vitamin bottle create a false sense of security, as those milligrams rarely correlate to the amount that actually reaches human cells. This chart compares a full supplement dose to what the body actually processes. Because of digestive inefficiencies and inflammation, the average person absorbs only 20 to 30% of standard oral vitamins. Millions of people are operating with significant nutrient gaps because their primary delivery system lacks the efficiency to meet their cellular demands. The human digestive tract functions as a strict biological filtering mechanism designed to break down foreign compounds. Once swallowed, a supplement is immediately attacked by stomach acids that degrade its outer shell and internal compounds. The surviving material then passes into the small intestine, where a secondary round of enzymes continues the degradation process. Any remaining active vitamins are then routed through the liver for a final filtration before they are permitted to enter the bloodstream. This multi-stage breakdown explains why oral vitamins often fail to produce a measurable physiological impact. IV drip therapy acts as a biological bypass, a clinical method to skip the gastrointestinal tract entirely. By delivering a sterile vitamin-infused saline solution directly into the circulatory system, the body completely avoids digestive filters. This direct route allows critical nutrients to enter the blood plasma intact, reaching 100% bioavailability, so cells absorb exactly what they need to function. Changing the biological entry point provides immediate systemic support and rapid absorption, bypassing the weeks required for oral supplements to take effect. Maximizing absorption efficiency triggers immediate changes, beginning with the restoration of the body's baseline fluid balance. This influx of fluids supports healthy blood volume and improves circulation, which assists the body in its natural detoxification processes. Introducing B-complex vitamins and amino acids directly into the blood plasma helps stabilize cellular respiration and energy production. This systemic support helps eliminate the energy crashes and cognitive fog caused by chronic dehydration and metabolic imbalances. Bypassing the gut allows for the use of cellular therapies that are difficult to achieve through standard oral doses. NAD+ is an essential coenzyme found in every living cell, responsible for converting nutrients into energy and managing complex DNA repair. Natural levels of this coenzyme decline as we age, which contributes to slower recovery times and compromised metabolic health. A targeted IV treatment replenishes these levels to stimulate cellular regeneration and support the mitochondria. This intensive cellular support helps mitigate the physical effects of biological aging and daily environmental stress. Moving beyond oral supplementation provides a more precise approach to health, delivering nutrients exactly where the body can use them.